The park after rain in New Delhi. It's June 1st and the monsoon has arrived very early this year. As you can see, this is a people tree, young people tree, or I would like to say young. Children are playing. This is manna. Just take a look at the sky, how beautiful it is looking right now. This is the old water tank. It's more like about Shole's tank of Dharmender Paji. Manna. It's around 5:40 p.m. evening here. Another manna. Awesome weather, mashallah. Awesome. I think it has rained about half an hour from 5 to 5:30 to 5:35 almost. And now I'm walking after the rain. This is the scenes after the rain in the Indian capital, Delhi. You can see greenery everywhere in the park. It's still raining, but a little bit. There's also children are playing. And in my opinion, Delhi needs more rain than usual because it's a really polluted city. It's the most, I think, polluted city in the world. So rain, when rains, the pollution gets, what do I say? This is the open park gym of India. As you can see, children are playing. This is like a parrot, but it wasn't. This park is really, special for me, and I will tell you why. Because when Corona struck first time in the world in 2020, it's 2020. I was in home. Everyone was packed in home. There was curfew everywhere, lockdown everywhere, unplanned lockdown by the government, and so I have gained a lot of weight. So I was living in a first floor apartment that time in 2020, but when things were getting good, I went out for something, for to bring some grocery or whatever. Then when I step out from ground floor to first floor, I was very tired. I was feeling like an old man of 70 or 80 years. So I decided to run and only run, because there was no gym open at that time. So I used to run 2 to 3 hours daily just before Fajr prayer, the morning prayers. I mean, there was darkness in the park that time, and many times I was the first person who has been in the park and started running. So I have a lot of memories from my school days as well. Just a moment, I will share you with you all. So guys, when I was in 10th class or in ninth class, I was a very, mischievous child. So me and my whole classmate were very, uh, we were good at studies, but we like to make a lot of funs, and we have, torn down the desks, and we have damaged all the school properties. So the school management has came to know that I was the main culprit behind that. I was the mastermind of that destruction in the school, who has, torn down the desks and registers, and I have torn down the registers as well. I was a kid. I was not matured as of now. Just look at this beautiful, you know, beautiful creature of God. So coming back to the topic, guys. So the school management has fined rupees 10,000, and it was about 2010. So 10,000 was a very huge amount for a child who is studying in class 9th or 10th, and in from a middle class family. But somehow I managed to 8,000 or something. Then I give, and my father didn't came to know about it. And later on, when I left the school and I grew up a little more, I have told him. He was smiling, but said this is not the good thing. So that was a memory. And we and my class, and they have also suspended us for 6 weeks just before the final examination. So this was the place where we every morning, we haven't told our parents or father in home that we have been suspended for 6 weeks. So we have bunked the entire school, entire period of almost 4 months, 4 weeks. And we used to came here and do breakfast. Then after 1 p.m. or 2, we go to home, like same as the school timings. So no one knows. Then they knows that we are coming from school, but we have bunked the school for almost 4 weeks. Then I went to school. I said sorry to everyone, every teacher, my class teacher, and they allowed us to sit in the classroom because the final examination was very near. And as promised, we have not done anything wrong with the school. We have not done anything that the school management will not like. So, and we have passed with very good marks as well. So video is almost 9 minutes, crossed the 9 minutes, but I have a lot more to tell you guys, but I think no one will watch me. So it's time to go. Just I would like to say, just take care, keep loving me, keep supporting me, guys. Thank you very much.